EMS Consulting Group has been helping companies transform their businesses for over 20 years. In today's video, we are going to explain the powerful methodology known as value stream mapping. The value stream mapping methodology was introduced by Mike Rother and John Shook in their classic workbook Learning to See, originally published in 1998. Value stream mapping is used to identify and then work toward a future state following the PDCA methodology, typically using our A3 problem-solving approach. We believe value stream mapping is a powerful methodology for companies to understand how their products and services should flow to the customer in the least wasteful way possible. The VSM activity should lead to several key targets for improvement. One key aspect of a value stream map is that the team measures the value creating time versus the overall lead time or turnaround time. From a customer request to fulfillment of that request, what is the total number of days it takes? How does that compare to the actual value creating time, which is the hands-on time spent doing the work? For example, you might have a turnaround time of 30 days and a value creating time of 100 minutes. One of the key goals of VSM is to reduce this time by eliminating waste and thus compress the overall timeline from request to fulfillment. A value stream is defined as all of the activities needed to deliver a service or product to a customer. It begins with a customer order or request and ends with delivery of the order or payment collection after the order has been delivered. For a typical manufacturer, this cycle includes customer service, purchasing activities, planning or scheduling activities, production activities, material movement activities, and many others. For a service provider, it includes all of the activities from request to delivery of a service. Let's take an example of a service from a physician. A value stream might begin with the process for making an appointment, include the process for visiting the facility, providing the patient with the value-added service, and then completing the process by billing the insurance plan. Following are the activities typically included in a value stream mapping workshop. 1. Identify the scope. Where will the value stream begin, and where will it end? Who or what are the suppliers, inputs, key process steps, outputs, and customers? A SIPOC diagram might be used. 2. Identify the team members. In most cases, a value stream mapping team should consist of key managers and decision makers who have authority to make major decisions about the overall flow. This is different from a Kaizen event, which should include a lot of frontline team members. 3. Arrange a time to begin current state mapping. The current state map is a snapshot of how things are done today. 4. After the current state map is complete, have the team identify issues and wastes. 5. Teach the team key lean future state principles, and then have the team brainstorm the application of these principles to the value stream. 6. Construct the future state map. And finally, 7. Develop a value stream plan, which includes all of the targeted improvements to reach the future state. These targeted initiatives may become Kaizen events, projects, or targets for daily Kaizen. At EMS Consulting Group, building our clients' capability has always been our focus. We provide our clients with customized lean training, coaching, and facilitation support while helping them build the continuous improvement culture necessary. Over the years, we have made learning less expensive and more flexible through our e-learning and virtual options while still maintaining our on-site capabilities. Contact us today at emsstrategies.com to learn more.